हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमारे चैनल आरविन टेक्नोलॉजीज में आपका स्वागत है। सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदने के लिए या डेमो के लिए दिए गए नंबरों पर संपर्क करें या आप हमें मेल भी कर सकते हैं। सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं, नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल बटन दबाएं। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें।
Hello everyone, welcome to Marg ERP video, in which today we will discuss how you can view the outstanding report of those parties to whom you have sold the products on credit. For which, you will go to the books menu, then to outstanding options. So, a few options are shown to you in the drop down. In order to switch to this menu, you can press Alt plus O key from the home screen of the software. Now from here, you will click on Party Wise option. Then this window of Party Wise will open with some fields, which you will fill as per your requirement. Like in Date as on, you will mention that date, till which you want to view the report. Then is negative amount field. If you also want to view the details of that amount in the report, whose payment has not been adjusted against any bill number, then you can set this field as yes or unadjusted, otherwise keep it as no. For now we will keep it as no. Then is PD check. If you want to view the report along with the post dated check, then you will set this field as with. Otherwise select it as less. Then is without replacement, advance, discount field. If you want those parties to whom the replacement issue or advance payment is done, or some discount has been applied etc., then this must not be shown in the report. Then for that, you will select this field as 3, that is without discount, advance, replacement. And if you don't want to view those parties in the report to whom the replacement issue is done, then you will select this field as 2. That is without replacement, and if you want to view the report of all the parties, then select this field as 1, that is select as all. Suppose we will select all. Similarly, if you have defined your parties in different categories, then you can also apply category wise filter and can view the report. Then is more options. If you want to view or apply filter in other options except the given options, then you will set more options fields as Y. So, this more options window with some options will be shown to you. If you want, then you can manage the given options as per your requirement. Now, by pressing escape key, we will come back and we will click on OK button given here. After this the ledgers window will open. From here, you will select the ledger of your party of which you want to view the report and press enter. After that the date which you have mentioned in as on date, then on the basis of it, the bill-wise outstanding details will be shown to you of your selected party, in which you can view according to the bill number and bill date, that how much balance is due against which bill of your selected party which you have to collect it from them. Along with this, you can also view the due date, means how many days it has exceeded for the particular bill whose balance is due, and the day on which you have generated the bill for your party, from that date till the current date, how many total days are gone, its count you can also view in over days. If you want to view this in report form or want to take the print out of it, in Excel or PDF, then you will press Alt plus P key on this window. Then this window of reports will open. From here you will click on Outstanding List Party Wise option. Then a few more options will be shown to you. If you want, then you can select these fields as per your requirement. Otherwise you will simply click on the View button. Suppose, we will click on the View button. So you will see that their party-wise outstanding report has been generated. If you want to view the report in Excel, then you can click on Excel and can open the report in Excel. If you want to view the report in PDF format, then by clicking on the PDF icon, you can view the report in GUI, PDF, Word, Excel or in any format. By clicking on the print icon, you can take out the print and so on. So friends, in this way you can easily view the party-wise outstanding report in Marg ERP software.
Thanks for watching.